and went before you. She carved a path for you to follow. She drank from the sun and dried her tears in the wind. She has plowed the fields of confusion and scaled ineffable mountains. She, like a bird, has left her sanctuary, but her season of return is past. She holds the dreams of a generation in her soul. She understands the whispers of the trees and memorizes the tales from the sea. She is a composer of a million lost souls, is the mother of hope and